In this video we're going to take a look at the Lava 20 system on a new flat roof. Here it is before. We had a leaking fiberglass roof. The timbers were rotten and needed to be removed and replaced with a fresh OSB deck. The roof failed due to expansion and contraction and caused leaks in the house below. Here is a picture of the roof, which has been finished with the Lava 20 waterproofing system, and here is a final shot with the optional dark grey finish added. The Lava 20 system has many benefits, including the fast and easy application of the system over virtually any surface. It is also extremely easy to do detail work in corners or around awkward areas like pipes or outlets, etc. The system is very tough and extremely durable, so can take impacts from foot traffic, etc. The system is very versatile and can be applied to almost every surface and has superb adhesion. This system is extremely flexible and remains elastic in all temperatures, so it will expand and contract throughout the years. The system is also waterproof and breathable. There is an optional anti-slip finish, and the system comes with a long-lasting 25-year warranty, and it also has BBA and CE certification. As mentioned, the Lava 20 system can be applied on almost every surface once it is structurally sound. Surfaces include bitumen, asphalt and felt or built-up roof, BUR, timber, OSB and WPB plywood, concrete and cementitious surfaces, all metals including lead, steel and zinc, etc. Single ply surfaces including PVC, TPO and EPDM, GRP and fiberglass, asbestos, insulation boards and spray foam, most existing coatings and more. Now we're going to take a look at Lava 20 over an OSB roof deck. Here is a display which shows the build-up of a roof from your joists, your insulation, your OSB or timber deck, your edge trims on either side, drip trim on the front and wall filler trim on the back with a termination bar or a flashing. You also have the Lava 20 quick primer and the Lava 20 waterproofing system. Here is a better look at the trims. An A200 drip trim is where the gutter goes and sends the water into the gutter. The B260 usually sits on a side where you don't have a gutter and directs the water onto the roof. The AT195 is a right angle used around walls, skylights, on cappings, etc. and the D260 is used against a wall, generally joined to a house, at the roof to wall junction. Step 1. The OSB board and edge trims installation. First, fix your deck down and make sure it's secured. We're going to screw and glue the trims into place. So, glue the underside of the trims with your PU mastic or an adhesive. Put them into place, make sure they fit snugly and firmly. Then screw or galvanized or zinc plated nails or screws. Step 2. Fill any joints, holes or voids with the PU mastic. Fill and smooth the area flat to create a flat surface to prime. Step 3. Priming. Use the Lava 20 quick primer to very quickly prime the area. Apply it lightly and it cures in 10 to 15 minutes. Step 4. Waterproofing with Lava 20. Firstly, we're going to tape the joints with the Lava 20 waterproofing material and polyester fabric tape. First, lay the Lava 20 down and embed the polyester fabric tape into the wet liquid, followed by more Lava 20 over the area. Again, it's lava 20 liquid, followed by tape, followed by more liquid. Then you can coat the roof up to 2.5mm thick for your 25-year warranty. In this example, we're going to add full chop strand matting for demonstration purposes. First, same as the tape, coat the area with lava 20. Apply liberally, then roll out your chop strand matting, and then add more lava 20 on top to complete. You can use the catalyst if you want to speed up the cure. Here we have the finished lava 20 roof, finished in light grey. 25-year warranty, waterproof and flexible. Step 6, this is optional. It is a coloured top coat, and as you can see in this video, they have chosen the anthracite or dark grey top coat for added pleasing aesthetics. This system will now last a lifetime. It's a far cry from the leaking GRP roof with the rotten timber to a brand new, flexible, impact resistant and hard wearing waterproof system that'll last a lifetime. Here is some more examples of the lava 20 waterproofing system finished on these extensions in a housing estate. Lava 20, the flexible and durable liquid waterproofing system for flat roofs, balconies, wet rooms and more.